I have been getting tons of questions asking me how I host my courses, where I host my courses, and how much it costs. And I thought to share the platform that I use to host my course for a very affordable rate. Teachery is a fully customizable platform where you can literally host your courses, your membership, or anything that has to do with digital products and anything that has to do with your online business. I sell digital products. I sell membership and I sell courses, right? If you are like me and you are looking for a very affordable option where you can securely host your courses, your digital products, and even your membership, this is a platform that you may want to consider. And this is because I have been using this platform for almost a year. And so far, no regrets. The beautiful thing about this platform is that it is very affordable and their customer service and support system is very on point. So if I have any problem with uploading a course or experiencing any challenges when optimizing my product on the platform, their customer support is very on point. When I mean on point, I mean approachable and respond very quickly, which is very important. Okay. Now, you can read more about this platform. It is called Teachery. Why I am making this video is not just to answer questions as to where I securely host my platform, but also to show you how this platform works and why I am happy with this platform. And I'm going to show you briefly the features. Okay, if you look at the features, it is very customizable and the process is very easy to follow. You have teams that you can use to work with. And I also like that they have landing pages. One of the things I wanted was not just a course hosting platform, I also wanted a platform that had landing pages option. And they have that. Okay, as you can see here, you can do product creation, customization, you can do promotion, payment, integration, support. Everything you need to successfully host your digital product business, your courses, or your online membership or platform is on Teachery. The best part is in the pricing. And of course, I am going to be talking about that. I just wanted to show you that everything you need when it comes to online business platforms, you can run promotion. This is one of my best parts. You have your sales page, which is your landing page. You can also create custom domains. And for the payments, you have flexible payment options. You can also offer upsells and bundles, promo code, cost giftings, like literally everything you need. And they have features that platforms like Kajabi and all the other high scale platform has, right? You can do integration. You can connect your Canva, you can connect your Mailchimp account, right? For mailing lists. You can set up automations. Literally the major integrations that you need for your business is on this platform. And the support is really good. I said it earlier that I am so happy and satisfied with the support because you can imagine that when navigating a new platform, okay, you will be needing support to find your way around it. And literally, I get support anytime, any day. This is how effective they are. Now, this is the price. Can you see how affordable this price is? You have the monthly plan of $49 per month. You have the yearly plan of $470 a year. And then you have this lifetime price of $550. That is exactly what I went for. I mean, if I have a platform that will successfully host my courses for this price, why not pay one time and pay never again? Of course, I went for this deal. And let me tell you one of the reasons I went for this deal. I wanted a platform that can keep my courses safe. So before now, I was hosting my courses on Beacons AI, right, which is the link in bio platform. Very good. I still use them. But I realized that when I host my courses on Beacons AI, anyone can access the course and can easily share the courses. And I didn't want that. I wanted a platform where you will need a password and a login to sign into the product. And that is exactly where Teachery caught my attention. And I decided to go for the lifetime deal. Now, why am I sharing this? I am sharing this because the lifetime deal is going to be increasing very soon. Okay. It is not going to be $550. I hope that by the time you are watching this video, you will grab this opportunity before the $550 lifetime deal retires. In few days, the price is going to be going up, and understandably so, because this platform offers lots of value for this price. So if you are watching this before the 17th of August 2026, I hope that you grab this before the price goes up, because the price is going up, and let me show you what I mean. The price is going to be going up to about 750 for a few months, and then it will go up again. And this is because Teachery is presently working on upgrading their features. Now, this is another reason why you should grab Teachery. So even though you might have missed the $550 deal, I would say advise you to go for Teachery. It is going to still be affordable. You will get value for your money, and you will get all the support you need. Now look at this. Look at how Teachery compares to most of the popular platform out there. For Teachery, lifetime payment is 550 lifetime payment. So you pay once and you have access to all their features. Well, for now, while the offer lasts, okay? Now, Teachable is $59 a month. Kajabi, which is one of the popular guys out there, is $149 a month. You have the Kartra, the startup plan is $119 a month. Look at this. This is Kajabi's basic plan, right? And then you have every support you need. And look at this. You have unlimited courses. For Kajabi, you don't have unlimited courses for this plan. You have unlimited customers. You don't have that for other platforms, except for Teachable. For this plan, you have unlimited customers, but you don't have unlimited admin users. I have an admin user in my team. So you can have people, you can outsource projects or tasks to other people on Teachery when you have this deal. Okay, guess what? It is 0% transaction fee. You get the exact amount that you sell your product for. This is not possible with Kajabi. This is not possible with Teachable, I mean. Now, you get human support, no AI. Do you know how refreshing this is? You get affiliate management, you get upsells, you can use custom codes, you have the access to adorable mascot. Do you see all this? Can you see all this future availability for the lifetime deal? So yes, even if this might go up in few days from this day that I'm making this video, it is going to be about $750. Please grab it regardless, okay? And then when you grab it, you have access to a lot of things. You have access to all these features. And trust me, I am telling you this out of experience. You recall that I said that my courses are safe on this platform for this amount of money. When anyone buys my course, I can easily monitor it, because not only are they going to be logging in, they cannot just easily share my courses amongst themselves, except they have to go through the process of sharing password, which a lot of people would not want to do. Let me show you what I mean when I say to access a course, you need a login access. Look at this. This is one of my popular courses. You see this? You have to include your login and your password to access this course. You cannot just access the product like that. Okay. This is one of the reasons that I went for Teachery. Okay. And another reason is, of course, it is very affordable, because we all know that the prices of functional hosting, course hosting, and membership platform is on the high side. So for this price, this is something I advise you not to sleep on. This is something that you want to go on and start assessing. And look at this. After the person has logged into their course portal, they see something like this, very easy to follow. This right here is exactly what I'm talking about. So I am telling you for lived experience. This is your chance. You can also sell digital products. So even if you're not looking to start hosting courses right now, okay, you can literally host your digital products on this platform. This is where I also sell most of my digital product, and let me show you what I mean. This is one of the hubs on this platform. So think of hubs as sections where you can sell different categories of things. This is a hub for my coloring pages. Okay, and look at this. I literally host my coloring pages that are on Etsy. I also sell them on my own website, which is Teachery. You can successfully sell your digital product without the fear of paying for additional charges. When you pay for the lifetime option, you literally can upload as many products as possible, sell your product at your preferred price, knowing that you will get the full amount of money. So you will not be paying for transaction fee. If you are thinking of a very functional, beginners friendly platform to host your courses, your membership, or your digital products, I advise you to sign up for Teachery. Yes, you can start for free, but just grab the lifetime deal and get over with it. Okay. I will be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. And if for some reason you are watching this video after the 15th of August, trust me, you will still be getting an affordable price for this specific plan, considering the features that you have access to and the value that you'll be getting from this platform. So, if this is something for you, I will be putting the link in the description where you can grab your lifetime deal. Or if you want to try it for free, you can also click on the link in the description. Okay. When you click on the link in the description to sign up, I will be getting a commission because you signed up through my link. So, if you're starting up your online business, your digital product, or you're looking to grow your membership in a secure and exclusive way, this is a platform that you want to sign up for. Affordable, reliable, and take it from me, very supportive. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. I will be also be adding additional links in the description, like the demo links where you get to know more about Teachery and what Teachery is up to. Because in the coming months, Teachery will be upgrading to 4.0, and the features that is going to be on Teachery is mind blowing. And because I have the lifetime plan, I would not be making any additional payments to access all those exciting features coming up on Teachery 4.0. If you have not gotten the lifetime deal, I advise that you go for the lifetime deal. It is a very good investment. Please do that in the link in the description. That specific link has been assigned to me so that when you sign up through the link, I will be getting some commission. And also think of it as a way of supporting me. Remember, go for the lifetime deal if you can, because it only get better. And of course, if you want to try out the free option, by all means do so. You would also be getting the link in the description. Overall, this is a platform that you want to explore. This is a platform that you want to use. And I am positive that you will not be regretting it. Remember to click on the link in the description to grab the link to join the Teachery family. Thank you for watching. I look forward to any questions you might ask. And most importantly, I will see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, this is your reminder to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I share practical, affordable tools and tips that will help you start your digital product business from the comfort of your home. My goal is to empower over 500 stay at home mothers with digital product tools, tips, and support so that they can start their online business from the comfort of their home. So, if this is you, you're welcome to join the community by first subscribing to this channel, turn on your notifications so that when I come online or post a video, you will be one of the first to know. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.